after engineering. There is campus placement, planning for MBA, study abroad, entrepreneurship, preparing for government examination, planning for MTech or ME, joining in Navy, Air Force and Defense, doing social services, follow your interest and dreams. The first one is MTech. MTech stands for Master of Technology. Now, after completing your 4 years of engineering, this degree will help you to enhance your technical skills. It is a 2 years of course and the colleges that you apply to are IITs, NIT, IISc, IITH and BITS. The entrance exam for this is GATE and the fees is around 25,000 to 45,000 rupees per semester depending on the college you are applying to. Now what are the career opportunities? After you complete your MTech, you can get a job in corporate industry, also in R&D, also in teaching profession and the option of doing PhD. Coming to the expected salary. How much money you earn after MTech depends highly on the factors like your college, your specialization and the amount of hard work you have to put in to get your dream company, and it can range anywhere between 3 lakh to 15 lakh per annum or even more. The advantages of doing MTech are: the first one is it gives opportunities to enhance advanced technical knowledge. You can get a stipend of 12,000 per month if you become a teaching assistant or research assistant. Next is MS. MS stands for Master of Science. Master of Science is again a graduate degree that can last for 2 years or more. It is most research oriented. It includes fields like maths, engineering, computer science, finance, management, environmental science, social science work and many more. You can apply the universities in US, UK, Australia, Germany and Canada. The entrance exam depends on the university. For English proficiency, you need to give either TOEFL or IELT exam or also GRE or GMAT exam. The fees depending on the university that you applied to it, but it can range anywhere between 25,000 to 50,000 US dollars, which is roughly around 20 lakh to 40 lakh Indian rupees. But you can get scholarship, get a loan or part-time work for this. Coming to career opportunities. Now, after completing your MS, you have the options like find a job in US or also in India. Coming to the expected salary. The salary depending on your university and your experience, and it can range in between 50,000 US dollars to 100,000 US dollars. Considering that you will find a job in US. If you come back to India, then depending on your field, it can range anywhere between 5 lakhs to 50 lakhs Indian rupees. Advantages of doing MS is study in a foreign country might make you homesick and it makes you more independent. Next is MBA. MBA stands for Master of Business Administration and as the name suggests is for building a career in business and management. It learns us how to manage people. You can specialize accounting, economics, corporate, finance, marketing, operations, HR, information technology and many more. The duration for MBA is 1 to 2 years and you can apply universities in US, UK, Canada and even India as well. The most common entrance exam is CAT and GMAT. Coming to the fees, it can range anywhere between 10 lakh to 25 lakhs Indian rupees, and in case of US it can range anywhere between $160,000 to 200,000 US dollars, which is around 1 crores to 1.5 crores Indian rupees. Now coming to the career opportunities. Depending upon your specialization, you can be a management consultant, investment banker, program manager, marketing manager, operational manager or global sales manager. Salary depends heavily on your college, your specialization, your experience, and it can range anywhere between 5 lakh to 20 lakh per annum or even more depending upon the company you can apply. Coming to its advantage, it has natural progression. Next is job. Engineering will get you job either through campus placement or walk-in. much better through campus placement. There is no entrance exam, but depending on the company, you have to give aptitude test, GD, HR round, technical interview round. Usually, the packages that you get depends heavily on your college, your branch, your percentage, and the range is between 3 lakh to 18 lakh per annum or even more. The advantage of getting immediate job is it gives time and also experience. Unfortunately, our college do not teach us interpersonal skills, communication skill, teamwork, and they don't have even teach us how to write a mail. So by doing job, these all things will be learned. The government job is the best option after engineering because the numerous benefits offered by the government jobs such as high job security, higher promotional revenues, low stress, short job timings. So let us discuss one by one. The first one is UPSC. Civil services are considered the most prestigious and renowned jobs in India. It includes IAS, IRAS, IFS, IPS, Combined Defense Service Examination. At state level, we have Public Service Commission, that means PSC of respective states. PCS stands for Provincial Civil Services and they are recruited by states. Civil Services Examination conducted by the State Public Service Commission, that is SPSC. So, we can say that PSC is the institute for conducting PCS examinations. Now, PSUs. PSUs stand for Public Sector Undertaking Jobs. To get recruited in companies that is wholly and partly owned by the central or state government. The selection is based on the GATE score. There are HPCL, NTPC, CIL, PGCIL, GAIL, BHEL, IOCL, ONGC, SAIL. The Military Engineer Service is one of the pillars of the Corps of Engineers of the Indian Army, which provides rear-line engineering support to get armed forces, and the best branch for this is mechanical engineering. The bankers needs engineers because nowadays bank adopting new technology. So engineers keep technology up to date. You can apply to various bank exams like IBPS Bank Clerk exam, IBPS Bank PO exam, RBI exam, SBI PO exam, IBPS Gramin Bank exams. Engineering candidates are always required in Indian Railways. Every year, Railway publish a job post for the vacancies in the different departments. After clearing BTech, you can appear for various exams like RRB LP, RRB JEE SSC, RRB NTPC, RRB Group D exam, Indian Services Examination, that means IES, conducted by UPSC, and also Staff Selection Commission. Scientists see the things and engineers helps to construct ideas, experiments to prove such things are possible. The institute which provide this opportunity are DRDO, BARC and ISRO. Thank you for watching my video.